Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 16th, 2021. We're going to give you all an update on Loopring. It's been a while. February the 26th was the last time we did a video for Loopring. So we thought we'd break in and give you all an update as to what we're seeing on the price chart so that we can always make sure that we are in position to capitalize from the trap. Now, let me say thank you and welcome to Make Dust. He is our newest member. He or she is our newest member to join our community. He or she has decided to purchase one of our perks, our artisan perk, and he would like to get a little bit more collaborative on some charts that we really don't cover here on this channel. If you want to learn more about language analysis and how to read the markets, then definitely you want to join one of those perks that we're offering, especially the apprentice perk, to where we have created custom emojis to which you can learn how to call the markets all without placing any hard-earned cash or money in the markets. You want to learn first rather than jumping right on in and trying to participate with the big dogs. So make sure you do that if you're interested, or if not, if you just appreciate it in general, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to our channel. You can follow us on our other social media channel as well, our second YouTube channel at HueFin News 2, to which we are garnering stock price predictions. So real quick, let's break this down. We did our last video for Loopring right there on February the 26th, 2021. And we anticipated the market to go lower in price. And for the most part, you guys can see it. The trap has just traded the market in Loopring sideways, which is not a bad thing. And it's not a good thing. It's just stable. We view the market trading sideways as a sense of the market being stagnated and stable. There's no sense of urgency and to move the market to a different price level, which gives us ample amount of opportunity to view where price is anticipated to go in the future. So let's take a look at the market in Loopring on a different time frame then. So now here we are looking at Loopring on a different time frame. On the 3-day time frame, I'm seeing weakness definitely here. I'm also seeing the fact that Loopring has broken the trend in the market, so we can definitely see that we are no longer in a upward trajectory, which is why we played the weakness in the market on our video on February 26th. So the question is, do we need to keep this prediction active, or do we need to get rid of it and anticipate the market in Loopring to go higher in price? Well, seeing that the market in Loopring is still trading below the overall ascension line, there's nothing for us to change right now, not from a 3-day perspective. Okay, what about on a 5-day? So even here on the 5-day time frame, we can actually see how from a 5-day perspective that not only is Loopring unable to trade above the ascending line, it cannot also trade above 63 cents. That is restriction as well. So there's two strikes that is going against the market of going higher price. One is the market is not trading above that ascending line, and two, the price is not able to trade above 63 cents. Until those things occur, the market in Loopring is going to continue to trade sideways, and the prospect of lower price is still on the table. We just got to recognize for what it is. What about on the weekly? And even here on the weekly time frame, even though we cannot be too dependent on this current weekly price bar, but generally overall there's no demand coming to the market in Loopring. One positive note is seeing how the market in Loopring is able to hold 50 cents. So I'm giving you two price areas that we need to continue to hold into our mind while the trap trades. The first one is 62 cents or 63 cents as restriction, and the second one is 50 cents as support. Price breaks either one of those levels, lets us know precisely where the market is headed. We break 50 cents to the downside, we already know that the market in Loopring is maintaining a weakness that we have already seen back in February. If we break 63 cents to the upside, then we know that the trap and the demand is now entering the market. You would expect the price to go higher, but it has to be on strength in order for that to really come to pass. So as of right now, looking at these varying time frames, this prediction that we garnered on February the 26th is still in play. There's no need for us to alter the market right now in Loopring. I mean, if any, I see two opportunities that would have substantiated the strength into the market for Loopring, and I want to show it to you first. All right, so this is the one. This is the first one, and this is the second one. So we've already seen the market in Loopring try to reclaim some strength, try to break above 62 cents or 63 cents, and each time it's been rejected. And you can only take rejection so many times before you'll see the market give up that ability to try to go higher in pricing. We'll see the market take a move lower. We've seen it twice already. Will it try a third time? So definitely, I don't see any reason, any cause to come in and alter our forecast in Loopring. The market is still showing the weakness on the chart. The trap is still feeling like he doesn't want to move the market higher. And for us, we have to follow what he does. We cannot try to change the market on our own. He's in control. He creates the market. He brings the buyers and the sellers together. And in this particular situation, it looked like he wants to bring the buyers and sellers to a price level that is cheaper than where we've been above that ascending line, even above 63 cents. Okay, so the market generally in this environment in Loopring is still giving us weakness. So I'm not going to come in and change our forecast, even though since February 26th, this market hasn't been doing anything but trading sideways. Now, some people may see it as an opportunity to come in and accumulate more of this token. But for us, we're seeing it as the market coming through and trying to sell those tokens at those price levels before we go lower. Now, we've identified some things on the price chart to substantiate that weakness is still being evident on the chart. You might see something totally different, which is perfectly fine. But, for our community, for our understanding, for our knowledge, we want you all to leave that comment in the comment section as to what you all think and what do you see on the price chart in relation to where you expect price to go. Okay. So definitely leave us a comment in the comment section if you think Loopring is going to go higher in price, or if you think Loopring is going to go lower. Just simply tell us, where would you exit out the market? Where would you take the profit and go on to another play? But for us, we're not going to change this, not yet. All right. So questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.